Hey everybody, Brandon Shaky here for week 3 of Mole Game Design. I'm gonna go over the rubric here in my app and just kind of show that the points were met here. So first one is, it says that it contains at least one sprite that's animated with a sprite sheet. So here's my animation sprite sheet, and then here's the P list for it. So I'll kind of show you what it looks like here really quick. You have to look kind of closely, but if you can see the plane's blade is spinning. So I hope that makes it count for the animation there. Game provides proper GUI elements and visual feedback for the user. A working pause button is displayed during gameplay with at least one additional GUI element, at least one visual feedback mechanism is deployed. So I wasn't 100% sure on what this meant. But I thought what it meant was, like, I have the score up there, so as you collect these stars, your score increases. And then I also have my pause button over there. So then, game contains clear conditions for winning or losing, and the user is able to either win or lose the game. I don't have a win, per se. If you guys ever played Flappy Bird, there's not really a win. You just kind of maintain your high score. But I do have a lose. And that happens when you hit the ground. And sorry if the noise is kind of obnoxious. I'll try to turn it down. Basically, when you lose, this game over thing pops up, and then you have a restart button, and that obviously restarts the game. So, if you guys are wondering why I keep stopping before it hits the ground, it's because of the noise it makes. And then I'll show the pause button really quick. I don't see like a thing that says that it needs to be working. Maybe. But anyways, I'll show you how it works. So basically, when you pause the game, you have another option. You have an option to restart the game, and that'll restart over. Or you can resume it, so that'll let you pause and resume. And then you can pause and restart, and all kinds of cool stuff. So I hope that hits the additional option inside of the menu when you pause. I don't really have a menu. There's not many things you could do. I mean, it's only one level and things like that, so. And then I'll show you here that the thing looks exactly the same on the iPad. So I'll run it on the iPad simulator here. 100%. Alright, so here it is on the iPad. So, same thing, same concept, pause, resume. You can crash, you can restart, everything works exactly the same on the tablet. So that's my assignment for week 3. I hope I hit everything correctly. Alright, so questions for the week. What I found most valuable? I would say I have an animation guide here. I don't actually think it was from Cocos 2D, but it really helped me figure out how to set all this stuff up for the animation, like how to go through the frames and how to find them and all that stuff, and using the cache and the P list. And I hope that counts for using a sprite sheet. I wasn't 100% sure on what that was looking for. Find most challenging was that part right there. Everything else seemed to come pretty easy this week, I think, but the animation definitely took me the longest. What would I have done differently? Overall, probably pick a different game to make, I guess, because this one doesn't allow for, you know, very much customization. Like, I don't have a pause menu and all that cool stuff. But I really liked Flappy Bird, so I thought it'd be a kind of a cool game to mimic. And a few things I could use more clarification. Definitely the animation stuff, because a lot of this stuff I think is outdated. Like CC animation, I don't think they want you to use that anymore. You don't need to create batches. I think it does that automatically by itself now. And you don't have to... There was something else. There was another guide I was following that you didn't have to do something. Oh. I don't remember. I think it was a sprite frame thing is corrected now, so... but yeah, that is my video for week 3. I hope you guys like it, and I'll see you next week. Thanks.